I'm gonna give you a full review on how you can reset your Bitzee to factory settings. So that way, once one kid is done using it, you can gift it to another kid if they're over it. Granted, there are 25 different, I think it's 25 different characters in here, and it is so much fun to play with that maybe you just want to keep it, but there are so many different ones, the Bitzee. There's Disney Bitzees, there's specific character Bitzees, but let's get into it. If you want to, let's say you want to reset from factory settings. We're just gonna let it wake up. And right now he needs a lot of help. I've been neglecting him. I haven't been playing with him because I was just doing some reviews and teaching people how to use it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna swipe on this bar right here. That's how you get through different settings. And this is also where you can adjust the volume. So if you don't want the volume, you can just tap it. And all I'm doing is I'm touching this to get the volume down, okay? It's gonna show me up and then off. You can turn it off as well. Now, I'm gonna reset it. How I do that is I go here to the settings and I'm gonna swipe to the exclamation mark right here. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hold this right here and it's gonna do a countdown. This is resetting it to factory settings. And then it's gonna give me the new tutorial so I can watch and learn how to play with your Bitzee again. But all of the different movements are swiping, tapping, rocking. There we go. We got a baby Bitzee. So now you're gonna have to go through all the settings again to start everything. Everything is back to being a baby setting. So it's factory reset. Now, when you see different motions like rock, it really does mean rock, okay? Or it'll be tilt. So when you see those things, it's telling you what to do. So now let's start it over. You guys, this game is so much fun. I wish I had one of these when I was a kid, but I had a Tamagotchi because I'm a millennial. So now this is our baby Bitzee. Now you can pet him like this, right? That's petting him, that's waking him up. My niece just turned an age where I can give this to her, so I want to send this over to her. But now it's going to walk you through the tutorial. Oh, that might have just been the reset. There you go. Sorry, I think he was still resetting. Maybe they're all still resetting. Bitzee. There we go. And now everything is reset, so I can start from scratch. Okay, so this is the reset. Now, this is what it looks like when you're first getting all squared away. See how it's saying to touch it? It's showing you what to do. It's walking you through the tutorial on how to play with your Bitzee. So now it's gonna say, tap them, check. See now this is the one that I had no idea. I thought I just had to go like that, but you actually rock them. So you're gonna like rock them to sleep typically, or it's gonna be playing with them. And then this one is just tilting down. So you wanna tilt it down. So it's actually showing you how to do things. So now this is like, you're shaking it. So there's a lot of different ways that you can play with this, and it's great for the kids to learn motor skills and taking care of something. So now up, I'm gonna tilt it backwards, I think, or raise up, and it's like, it's jumping. There we go. It tells you once you do it correctly. This took me a long time to figure out on my own. Oh, now it's showing me how to swipe here. And it's showing me how to eat food. So this is how you play with your Bitzee. And now I just fed the kid, literally kid. It's a little thing. All right, so now this is like a magic wand. Now it wants me to shake it. So you see how everything is showing how to play with it. And these grow up, they get hearts. They grow up and they actually change before your eyes, which is really cool. And then you get new ones. So you will have new monsters, new little animals, and it's just a lot of fun. And like this is its house. And then I can swipe over here and I can see different items. And as you get new characters, they live in the house. So then you can go into the house and play with them. But right now I only have one because we just reset it. I should have showed you all of the ones that I had. I think I had 12. So really fun game. Again, if it gets left open, it's gonna just turn off automatically. So if it just sits there, it's gonna turn off. But you saw how you can turn off the volume and everything like that. And I've had this one for over a year and he's still going strong. You feed it, you clean it up, you shower it, you bathe it, you put it to sleep. So it's a lot of fun. And now I'm gonna go back and I'm gonna also, oh, this is another one where you can find new treasures. And it's so cute. One of my nephews, he had one of these. He's actually the one that showed me these. And he would always be so excited to show me his new character. He's like, look it, he grew up, or look it, I got a new character. So it's super, super fun for kids. Lots, boys, girls, like anyone, this can be for anyone. This would be a great Valentine's Day gift for your kid. If they want a real pet, you can give them a Bitzee pet. Christmas gifts, birthday gifts, they're just great. And then you can see it's happy. I hope this helped you with your Bitzee. Let me know if you have any questions. I've also linked it down below in case you wanted to buy one. I got them on Amazon and they're just fantastic gifts. Really fun. I mean, shoot, I'm even addicted. Like I said, I turned off the volume just for this. So now I'm gonna go ahead and turn the volume back on. Food, heart. And then, there we go. Now we have a volume on just one. That way I know what I'm doing. And it'll show you what you need to do as well. And they make fun noises. It's so cute. They're really indestructible. I tried stepping on this, breaking it. Like, it is in there, it is good. So your kids are not gonna be able to damage it very easily. It is indestructible. They thought of kids in mind when they made this. And there's other things you can do. Play with them, and then I can shut them. And then when I open it, it'll tell you what he needs. So cool. Oh, we got something. It's fun. Oh, we got a new character. Or did he grow up? Nope, he needs some food. Fed him. So it's showing you, oh, what does he need? Does he need play with? He might need to be petted. So it's kind of like you're petting him. Yep. And then they get happy. So it'll show you when you need something, because what is he angry about? Oh, here we go. We gotta go to his house. Food? He wants more food. Still angry. What do we need? All right, so now we have two. You see how we have two different characters now? This one still needs something. He's really hungry. We need to feed him. Let's see. Magic wand. He wants to be shaked. There we go. He wants to be slept. Maybe he wanted to be shaked to bed. So now he's good. But something's still going on here. What do we got? This is how you play with your Bitzee. He's still hungry. He's a growing boy. I hope you have as much fun as I do with these, and I know your kids are going to, because they are fun for adults as well as kids, but obviously we don't have, if all I had was time to play with the Bitzee, then shoot, I need a better hobby. But our kids can definitely play with this, and it's something that can keep them active and having fun and caring for something and show them a little bit of responsibility. Like I said, I have it linked in the description. Let me know what you think and if you love your Bitzee.